Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click on that. See what other goodies they have going on right now. They have Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals going on. So definitely take advantage of that. And here we go. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review. This is coming from HSFTOOLS. Type C. So you can use your cell phone. 96 IR detector. Super resolution image enhancement technology. 25 Hz high frequency. Focus free. Battery free. High temperature accuracy. Alright. HSFTOOLS. See, it's a little guy just plugging it back in your phone. And you can find everything you need to find. There we go. That was easy. And like I said, they got the deals going on now. So you might want to give a gift to somebody. Maybe your dad, your uncle, your brother. You never know. Any homeowners? That's empty. Nice little case. Here we go. Should be an app to download, I do believe. Yeah, this is super lightweight. Bada boom. Let's see. Extra storage. Got two different connectors, probably, or maybe just one. Should fit most phones, unless it's only Android. I'm not sure. But they got this one. Extender. Here we go. Finder. There's a little QR code. This thing's tiny. Stocking stuffers, you know? Here we go. Alright, now we're going to grab the other phone right now. Okay, guys, once you scan that QR code, it's going to go Google Play. This is a thermal imager. Here is the app right there. Install. And they got flexible real-time measurement settings. We could skip that. We got the plug-in right there. They also have the handheld. Whoa, it's pretty cool. So there. Make sure the OTG function of the phone is on. What the hell is that? OTG. What is OTG? I know what OTC means. Roman, you know. Tribal chief. But definitely gonna figure this out. Might take me a second. Okay, OTG. Well, we'll try it. Let's see what happens. Oh, maybe this. OTG. Whoa. Whoa. I am there. Oh boy. Oh, I'm scary. Raw. Okay, measurements. Hot. Cold. Temperature unit. Fahrenheit. Okay, we got that. Perimeter. Got that thing going. Oh. You can see it's like tracking me. I'm at 98% or 98 degrees. You can see right there, 97. Whoa. Measurement. Clear rectangle. Seek a position shows that accurate reading. Look at that. Palettes. Color 1. Whoa. See, that's what I'm used to. Holy moly. Oh boy. Can I flip? You can flip that. One more flip. Okay, we're back at normal. Thermal imager right there. Okay, we got to check for updates. Everything's good. Just click on that. Settings, devices. Okay, there we go. One more flip. Now we're back to normal. Now can I reverse the camera? I can record. Oh. Okay, it's too short. We gotta keep it longer. There we go. Timer is going. You can see right there, 100. Ooh, I got a temperature. Whoa. There you go. I can play it back. Okay. Accuracy is everything. Calibrating. Oh. See? Ice fire. SIR is on. Oops. Measurements. Clear. Center it. Oops. I think that should be good. Take the SP SRR. Here we go. We are at center. Now I thought there's a lot of stuff you could do with this. You can snap it. It goes into your folders. Right here. Whoa. What is that? It's a wolf. Wolf dog. Image. Sharpness. Color. Man, this thing is cool. I think that's about it. Settings. Support. General. Save visual. Capture mode. Basic info. Alright guys, here is a thermal of the dog. Gizmo. Gizmo. I think he's pretty healthy. Oh, there he goes. He is reading 72 degrees. There we go. Gizmo. There you go. Alright, downstairs. Alright guys, this might be hard to do. Here's my air conditioning, heater, water tank. Right there. So Not sure how much you guys could see of it. And of course, you could flip. And measurements. Here's that. That's pretty cool. Man. So all you gotta do is really just install the app, connect to the device down in there in the bottom, and you're all set. I think I had the device on backwards, so I'm not sure if there's a right way or a wrong way to have it, but that's how I have it now, right there, and it looks pretty good. Okay, do it sideways. It's kind of hard to juggle two phones at once, so hopefully you guys could see everything. There we go. Right there. Let me turn off the light. There we go. So yeah, this is pretty cool. So you could check for gas leaks and whatnot. Pretty much everything you could do. Like I said, all you gotta do is install the app and download it, and then install the device like that, and you're good to go. So like I said, this will be a good stocking stuffer for the upcoming holiday season. Check out their Black Friday, Cyber Mondays going on now. Be safe. Have a good night.